let's learn how you can activate your deactivated Facebook account again. So before we start, I will have to tell you that you can only reactivate your account if you disabled or deactivated your Facebook account. So if your account is deleted by yourself or by Facebook, you can't really reactivate or activate again your Facebook account. So there is no solution for that. But if you only deactivated your account, all you have to do is to sign in. So I won't do this, but you will just have to log in or sign in again with your email or password or phone number if you have it connected, and type the password of your account that you had on this account before the activation, and your account will be activated again. So the only thing you have to do is to just log in and sign in to your Facebook account, and it will be activated again if you disabled it. I mention again, if you deleted this account for good, on account center options, you can't really get back your account. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next